So we're going to make a circle with X puzzle. Mighty toys use many colors: red, orange, green, yellow, blue, purple, and magenta. I'm 100% sure it's magenta. So, is it the first part of the puzzle? Twist and cuts it, and then we're done all of them. So now it actually looks like an even puzzle. The bad thing is it doesn't look like normal. Look, when I put it all together, look, it doesn't look like really circly. See, it looks like crazy. Like, it doesn't look like a circle at all. But we're going to use a circle cutter and cut it up to a circle. And it is a circle. Take the pieces out. There we go. And now we're going to squish it out. And this is when the fun happens. After you fall out, when they fall out, it's a data doodle of this all falls out. And they're all put back together, not with the circle. And then we're going to start doing something. We're going to do something like, going to put green. No, you get a little bit mixed up because the lime is this color and because it's lighter. Green, lime, yellow, orange, and red. He put it on. So then that's like all to finish it. Now there's a little space. Fill that in red, and they put some yellow balls and balls all over the place. And move them. Yellow goes in the middle, and that is it. And it looks like it's Maiden. So that's it. Bye.